Hey guys, it's an hour from ATAPIC again. And in this video, I'm simply just going to show you how I use ATAPIC to book meetings with qualified prospects, how I understand the people, how I'm no longer doing cold outreach, but intent-based outreach. So let's hop right into it. Right, so first things first, I want to tell ATAPIC, the agent, who exactly I'm looking for. So I'm just going to paste this prompt in here. And this prompt simply says, right? Find me 25 founders or business owners in the US who are actively talking about growing their business, needing clients, or struggling with lead generation. I want you to focus on recent activity and high intent signals. So I'm just going to go ahead and send that off to the system. And instead of random leads, I'm going to be getting people who are already showing intent. And as you can see, the agent has already taken this and it's going with this. Simple. It's going to be a two-step approach. It's going to search for the business founders and business owners in the US with relevant activity, and it's simply just going to analyze their profiles to identify recent posts or signals about growth challenges, client leads, or lead generation struggles. And that's it right there. Amazing stuff. Awesome. I can see the 25 leads have been found. Now it's analyzing. All right, I can see it's analyzing, and it's almost done. Awesome, and it's already done. Let's see. Amazing. Amazing. This is nice. I love this. I love this. Okay. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Wow, this is great. This is great leads for me. So now I simply just want to reach out to these folks, right? And I'm just going to say for all, I actually create personalized outreach emails for the top 5 based on the activity and intent. Keep it natural, human, and focused on starting a conversation that leads to a meeting. Also suggest a simple follow-up strategy. Amazing. Send this off. Awesome. It's preparing. Awesome. And yes, the email. Awesome. And this is simply how you can use ATAPIC as well to get this done. Thank you guys. Give it a try. Let me know. Happy lead generation, happy revenue building, and happy new week, guys. Take it easy. Peace. Check us out at atapic.com, atapic.com. Let's go.